guys, and welcome to today's vlog. If you're wondering what's going on with my makeup, it is because I'm about to try magnetic eyelashes and I wanted to do that with you guys. I also just fed Brooks and now he's playing, so if you hear him in the background, that is why you hear music in the background. I also have a few things that I want to do today. I just got back from the gym, always meal prepping, so I'm going to be doing that. And I might make some more baby food. I need to go grocery shopping. I have a ton that I need to do today. So these are the lashes. So the instructions are pretty simple. Fully dry on the eyeliner where magnets will be touching for secure application. Slide the lashes off the tray, do not pull, and reapply to 2 to 3 more coats for maximized strength. So I think I have to trim them first because I think they're going to be way too big for my lashes. Okay, so to trim them, what I usually do is hold them up to my lashes. Kind of see where they measure. And then trim the ends. So these are really just a little too big. This is all I trimmed off. And I actually saved them so that if I just want to apply a subtle look, I can just get them on the ends. Okay. So this is the magnetic liner. Okay, I guess I'll be applying more liner. Oh my god, what a mess. They're like, the liner is like sticky and it slides. It doesn't feel very magnetic. All it's really doing is making a mess of my makeup. Let's clean this one up first. I mean, I feel like there's no reason that it should have gone all the way down my nose. It is literally everywhere. It is so smudgy. Is it because my tweezers are magnetic? Stop. No, I guess not. I feel like it's not on very well, but it does say that you can apply more coats. I think these are a little dramatic for me. No. You know, I'm just gonna call it quits on these. I like the concept, but I'll stick to my regular false lashes This eyeliner literally got everywhere. It's really smudgy, really watery, and it's just not how I would normally do mine. So I'm going to put on mascara. Okay, so I just really briefly wanted to go over what I got from Old Navy for baby clothes for Brooks before everyone wakes up and the house gets chaotic. So I have a giant bag here, as you can see. Alright, so this is the first onesie I got for him. 6 to 9 months. And little Sunny. Filming this now because it's going on him early. But I love that it's got the mitts. And it's got the little feeties. It runs a little big. We love these. We had people over last night, people over the day before, or that morning, and then people coming over this afternoon. My husband is out playing tennis right now with his sister, so I figured I'd do this real quick in between cleaning while Brooks is asleep. Okay, so I got a lot of patriotic things this time around, and I sized up a little bit. So this is my first piece. I think this is adorable. It's a little big, but I'm hoping that by 4th of July it'll fit him a little better. I think it's 6 to 12 months, so this comes in 6 to 12 months. There was no 6 to 9 month option, which is what he's currently, but I love these where they're almost like a onesie at the bottom with all the snaps. They're really easy to get on and off, but they seem to fit a little better and look a little classier than a onesie, so I absolutely love those. This is a similar piece, same shape, and this comes with a little bandana bit, which is really cute. Also 6 to 12 months. It kind of looks like that. Alright, I'm just getting to all of the ones that are this shape. Same, this is a more relaxed one in a softer material. It's got little lions on it. And it's got the same shape, cute little snaps. Can't wait to wear this. This is also 6 to 12 months. Alright. Got new PJs. These are 6 to 9 months and they're attached. I hate those little zippers. Kept a total red, white, and blue theme. I was feeling very patriotic when I bought this. But I love these because they have the feeties. They have the mitts. And my Brooks, we keep our bedroom really pretty cold. It's like 69, 67. I don't ever want him to get cold, but he actually thrives with it at this temperature. So I want his hands and toes to stay as warm as possible, and when we put socks on him, he just bursts out of them immediately. Obviously, he's too old for mitts, so these are perfect right now for me. This was another cute little onesie that we got for 6 to 12 months. It says, "I look up to you, Auntie." Brooks has one aunt and he absolutely loves her, and so I thought this would be really cute to wear when she comes back up from Manhattan. It is 6 to 12 months, so it's a little big. Unfortunately, he couldn't wear it this weekend, but I'm hoping next time we see her that this will fit him perfect. It'll be a cute little surprise. It's like the never-ending bag. This, so excited for. Little swimsuit, and it is SPF rated. Doesn't have the snaps, so it zippers, but it zippers pretty far down, so we could easily get him in and out for diaper changes. I have one that's similar to this, and it fits really well, and it works really well. So this is 6 to 12 months, 17 to 22 pounds. We have a beach vacation coming up, so that's why I was looking for new swimsuits. Right now, Brooks only has one, and he loves to swim. These are a 2-pack of pants, and they have the cute little feeties that we absolutely love. I'm so gutted this is The last size that they make, which is 6 to 9 months, after this, he's going to have to wear just real pants and socks, which is kind of sad for me. But for the time being, we have feeties. They're really hard to open sometimes. Alright, just a cute red, white, and blue onesie. I love the faded kind of print on this. It's kind of almost like a tie-dye feel, and I'm making a huge mess. Little dinosaur onesie, just your basic snap onesie, 6 to 12 months, I believe. Yeah, 6 to 12 months. So most of their stuff was in 6 to 12 months. They did have 6 to 9 months, but not as many. So the 6 to 12 months always for him pretty big at first. But I have a ton of 6 month stuff still that I'm burning through because we have so much. So these are like the next size up. I was under the impression we needed a lot of pants, and then I found a whole bin of pants, but these are 2 more pants, no feeties, just your regular U-shape. They are 6 to 12 months and they look huge, but I got one in blue and one in black. I think I know what these are. Just a cute little pair of shorts. These are also 6 to 12 months, which is 27 to 29 inches or 17 to 22 pounds. But I just love little baby shorts. I'm excited to use these. And these look kind of big. These are 6 to 9 months, but they do look kind of big to me. They have got little jungle print on them. This is pretty unisex also. I love that Old Navy has a ton of unisex stuff because I don't feel like girls have to wear one thing or guys have to wear another. And between patterns, print, and color, they do a really good job of providing unisex clothing. It is another swimsuit. I love this. How cute is this swimsuit? Again, it zippers up and down. Easy to get them in, easy to get them out, easy for diaper changes. The material is SPF rated. It's UPF 50, which is excellent UV protection according with ASTM standards. So I'm assuming that's SPF 50. I'm not entirely sure. I'll have to Google it. Both of these swimsuits are rated like this. So yeah, that's all I got today, and I hope you enjoyed this part of the video. If you guys have a specific place that you shop for your baby, definitely drop it below in the comments, because I love Old Navy, but they don't update their inventory as often as I would like, considering I would like to buy stuff every day. But that being said, I am open to suggestions on new places to purchase clothes, especially little boy clothes. So definitely let me know below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next section. Hey guys, so it is a beautiful rainy Saturday morning, and I wanted to take you with us on our travels to Vermont. We live about 45 minutes from the border, and right on the border of New York and Vermont is this cute little lumberjack coffee shop. It's a beautiful drive up. We're gonna take Brooks, and then they make this lumberjack coffee that is a couple shots of espresso, some maple syrup, and I think almond milk is what I get in it, and they do it iced. It's so good. And then they make a lumberjack sandwich, which is got a bagel, and they actually toast the bagel and then put maple syrup on that with fried eggs and cheddar cheese. Okay, quick outfit change. I wanted to get into something a little more comfortable, but yeah, now we are off to Vermont to get our maple butter breakfast sandwiches and our maple iced coffees. I'm so excited, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching us this week. We did end up eating by the river and drinking our coffees and reading. Brooks was thrilled. We actually took him out for a walk. He doesn't look it here, but he did totally enjoy this trip. It was great, and I'll see you in the next video.